Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about DS-RVS Combined Apprentice Recruitment 2021. Here are the basic details. The organization name is Digital Shiksha and Rojar Vikas Sansthan India, also called as DS-RVS. The post name: Data Entry Operator, Web Designer, Content Writer, Computer Networking Technician and Office Assistant. The number of vacancies which are opened are 433. The starting date for applying has already been started and the closing date will be on 20 of February 2021. The job location is opened all across India and here is the official website. You can check out the official website if you need further information. Moving on to the education requirement. According to the category or the number of seats that are present, you will have the education requirement, and for each of the posts the requirement varies. For data entry operator, for general 84, EWS 16, SE 19, ST 8, OBC 41, and in total we have 168 vacancies. So according to the categories that you belong, the vacancy number will be varying, and here is the total and here are the education requirement. So for data entry operator, the education requirement is a 12th grade from a recognized board or university, diploma in any computer sort course from a recognized institute. Then for a web designer, there are 15 vacancies. Again, you can see the division of the categories here according to the category that you belong. The education requirement is a bachelor's degree in technical, in computer science, computer engineering, electronics, or master's in computer application, MCA, from a recognized board of education or the university. For the post of a content writer, the number of vacancies are 165. Again, here you can check out the category division. The education requirement is 12th from a recognized board or university, diploma in any computer course from any recognized institute. And computer networking technician, we have 46 vacancies. Here you can see again the division of the vacancies as per the categories you belong. Bachelor's degree from a recognized board or university and diploma in any computer course from a recognized institute is the required education qualification. For the post of an office assistant, 39 is the vacancy list, and here you can see the category division. So 12th will be your education requirement along with diploma in any computer course from a recognized institute. So in total, for the general category you have 217, for EWS you have 39, for SC you have 46, for ST you have 20, for OBC you have 111. So in total it sums up to 433 vacancies for all of these posts. Moving on to the age limit, all the category aspirants should be completing their 18 years of age and should not have completed 35 years of age. So the candidates must be in between 18 to 35 years of age as of 20 February. Salary details: the officials are going to provide a stipend as per the apprenticeship rules which are applicable, which is rupees 11,500 to 19,200 to all the candidates who are being hired. The selection process: there will be a screening and scrutiny of the application. Moreover, the selection for the engagement of the apprentice would be based on the percentage of marks which they will be getting in their qualifying examination. Moving on to the application fees: for general and OBC it is rupees 550. For SC and ST it is 400. For person with disability also it is rupees 400. Here is the link of how to apply. The same link will be headed down even in the description box as well. So don't forget to check it out and get the direct access of the link if you want to apply for your eligible and desired post. Further, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding these posts, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.